Klover Data and VideoAi.Media. Getting leads is only half the battle. The real challenge lies in transforming those leads into paying customers. Enter VideoAi, the game changer in lead conversion. Imagine handing Klover's clients not just leads, but the tools to convert them automatically, without extra work or hiring more reps. Instead of boring texts, emails, or calls that get shot down, VideoAi revolutionizes communication by sending personalized videos that mirror your client or their representative. These videos feature real voices, gestures, and full motion, greeting leads by name and clearly explaining offers. This personal touch builds trust, drives action, and ultimately converts leads into customers, making them feel like they've already met someone from the company. With VideoAi, Klover, or your client can track every view, click, and response. It's a plug-and-play solution that integrates seamlessly with existing tools. This means you can monitor engagement and effectiveness effortlessly, ensuring that every interaction is optimized for conversion. And what if? What if VideoAi could even white label this for Klover, call it Klover Video or Klover Response, your name, your platform, while VideoAi remains invisible? This not only unlocks a new revenue stream, but also delivers more value to your clients, creating a retention-driving feature they won't want to live without. Traditional cold calling is often inefficient and exhausting. VideoAi flips the script by sending the first touch as a short, impactful video via text, email, or direct message. Leads, watch, click, reply, and book, transforming the process. Why waste time with a full team of cold callers when a fraction of that can handle warm, inbound calls that are ready to convert? Everyone knows Klover excels at delivering high-quality leads, and with VideoAi, you can help your clients close more effectively. More value, more retention, and more revenue. Let's turn your leads into conversions at scale. Your leads, your brand, our technology. Together, let's build something powerful with Klover Data and VideoAi.